My name is Mike Verbsky. I'm the director of the Inpatient Amputee Rehabilitation Program and Outpatient Support Group at Momentum at South Bay of Paragon Health. In my last two videos, we discussed emergency preparedness and managing your phantom sensations and pain following limb loss surgery. Today, I'm going to discuss with you about the value behind support groups, what they can do for you, and why you should get involved in them. Support groups are a valuable tool for you during the initial time after going through surgery and throughout your lifetime afterwards. We all get some level of support from our families and friends. They have always been our primary support network. However, one of the common themes I hear from people is, "I didn't know anyone with an amputation after I had mine," or "No one understands what I'm going through. How can anyone tell me my life is going to be okay?" Support groups give you that exact connection. They allow you a place to freely express your thoughts and feelings without being stigmatized for them. You will meet other people that have had limb loss surgery at all different stages of their recovery journey and at different levels of limb loss. The benefits of attending support groups are well documented. Realizing you're not alone through the process. Having an open forum to discuss your feelings and gaining hope for what the future can be for you. Learning a lot of helpful information while increasing your own understanding about yourself. And having an avenue to help others going through the same thing you are dealing with. Peer support offers the emotional support, encouragement, and information vital for a full recovery. You have the opportunity to ask people at all different phases of recovery what to expect at various stages. Therapists have a multitude of tricks up their sleeves to problem solve mobility skills, home setups, and activities of daily living through your therapy sessions. But the other members of a support group have figured out other real-life solutions to some of your questions or concerns. The members of your support group can be some of the best people to give you the emotional support and encouragement you want to successfully navigate your recovery after limb loss surgery. They are the ones that have returned to work, picked up playing sports, started volunteering in their communities, and living their lives after surgery. Again, my name is Mike Verbsky. I'm the director of the Inpatient Amputee Rehabilitation Program and Outpatient Support Group at Momentum at South Bay of Paragon Health. If you have any additional questions about support groups and why you should get involved, please reach out. At 3 of our Paragon facilities, there are support groups available to you. Excel in Woodbury on the second Sunday of each month, Limbrook Rehabilitation and Nursing in Limbrook on the second Wednesday of each month, and Momentum at South Bay in East Islip, New York on the fourth Thursday of each month. Our support groups are available to you in person, but also via Zoom if you would rather participate in an online forum. We also have support groups for post-COVID, better breathers, diabetic management, and cardiac rehabilitation. For additional educational videos, please see us at www.paragonhealthnet.com. Thank you for taking a few minutes to listen, and we'll see you next time.